Honorable. I'm currently a senior at GW and I am studying abroad at Yonsei University in Seoul. And let's go see my room, yeah? So here we have our student card in order to get in. Easy peasy. You have an area to put up your shoes. And then you have to put your your house card in to turn the electricity on. So let's see, we can turn the lights. They have shoe storage here or whatever, bag storage. Here we have the toilet, which is separate from the rest of the bathroom right here. And here we go. And then, yeah, so I'm in a double. The SK Global Housing, which is the dorm I'm in, has both doubles and singles. As you can see, there's plenty of storage. There's my Queen's University Belfast. This is my bed. So you've got storage both under and also here in this lovely closet. Here we go for the air conditioning. Great. Any emergency phone calls. You can see that the outlets are the same as the UK. And yeah, plenty of storage. There's my work spot. And then we've got this amazing balcony here. So super fun. Can't really go out onto it, but also has the shade right there. Plenty of decoration, and plenty of space. So yeah. Here is the kitchen in the dorm. We have like a common area. Oh, here's the place to fill the water bottle. Here we have the laundry in the dorm.